What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but I've got a new camera. And it looks dark as crap right now. Let me turn around into the light. There we go. Now you can see me. Anyway, yeah, I got a new camera. I got a GoPro MAX 360, of course. So that's what I'm recording on right now. And sorry if the audio's not great. Sorry if the video's not great, if it gets dark or whatever. Like when I do this, I can see that it's getting dark. I don't know how dark it is when I actually play back. But I'm using it in hero mode right now with the camera that's on the lens that's on the front, so therefore I can see myself. And it's just a little screen, but it's, I mean, I can tell that I'm in frame, you know. Anyway, so I've had it for about a week now, something like that. Been playing with it. Was up in my in-laws over the weekend. We done some 360 video. We went on a little drive and done some 360, done time lapse. I'll put some of that video all in here. The time lapse I'm not a huge fan of. It's like, I don't know, it may be just a setting in it that I gotta play with and figure out. But like I set the camera up on the side of my father-in-law's truck, in which I'll put that clip in in just a second. But you can see it kind of going back and forth, and it's because when you're time lapsing, it's wanting to spin. Like when you play the video back, it spins all the way around. Like the video feedback spins by itself, and I don't understand why it does that. So I'll probably end up using, I think it's called hyperlapse, which I didn't know there was actually a difference in hyperlapse and time lapse. But time lapse is pictures, hyperlapse is stabilized video. So therefore, like if you're doing any kind of action, the camera's moving when you're trying to do a time lapse, use the hyperlapse. And I'll probably just use the hyperlapse anyway, just because it doesn't spin and do that craziness. But anyway, yeah, so far I'm liking it. It's a big fan. I'm a big fan of it. We're fixing to find out how good the audio is. There's cars going up and down the road. It's got a lot of different settings. It's got like 3 or 4 different speakers on it, microphones on it, and a lot of different settings. You can set it like a 360 audio, stereo. You can set it to whichever camera it's recording on. Like right now I'm recording on the front camera and I've got it set to cam to match the lens. So therefore it's using the microphone that's facing me. And vice versa, if I flipped it to the other lens, it would use the lens that's facing away from me. So yeah, it's really cool. The stabilization is insane in it. It's like, I'm sure you guys have noticed because I've got it on, but compared to some of my other videos, it's crazy. And then also, I'm gonna pull my phone out and I'm going to record a clip on my phone starting now to show you guys the what's it called, horizon lock. You can essentially spin the camera, and I'm showing you guys in the video now. I'm gonna put it like up in a corner or something, but you can spin the camera any way you want to, and it stays level. So you can lock it in horizontal, which I have it now, or you can turn it up in vertical and lock it in vertical, so you can do like Facebook content or what is it called? Crap. TikTok, Instagram, things like that. And pretty good, pretty neat little thing to do. The 360 is cool. Using the app on my phone, you can go in and you can just record a big video and go in and edit it where you want it to shoot. You can zoom way out, and you'll see some of that. You'll see some of the different things you can do with it. But I'm not great at it. This is a new camera to me still. It's been a week. So don't go, oh, he's terrible. That's a terrible edit. That's stupid. You don't know how to use a 360 cam. Of course I don't know how to use a 360 cam. I just bought a 360 cam. Anyway, so just bear with me. I'm gonna learn how to use this thing, and we're gonna get some awesome footage with it. But that's basically it. I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know that I bought a GoPro MAX, and that the content is fixing to ramp up because I got a GoPro MAX. It's gonna make it easier filming. Like I've told you guys time and time again that I'm gonna bring you guys with me when we're working on the building or something and not actually record process. But I find myself not wanting to do anything over there because when I try to record it, it's a hassle because I'm having to set a camera up, get the right angle, and do this and do that. And with this, I can just put it in 360 mode, hit the record button, and then it records everything. Audio, video, everything all the way around. I can speed through some of the parts where I'm just doing stuff and then slow down when I'm talking to the camera. So it'd be awesome. Make it a lot easier to do things over there now and record them. I can do things without recording and it'd be super easy, but this will make it easier to record stuff. But anyway, that being said, I'm going to play the clips of the 360 footage now. I'm going to take the audio out and throw some music over just because a lot of it I just sped up. Even the video, I just sped it up because it's kind of pointless. There's not really much to it. I'm just kind of showing what it can do. So anyway, y'all enjoy. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you would, smack that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. There's big things coming. It's going to be... Alright guys, y'all have a great day. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
It's quite pungent.
Oh, yeah.
It stings the nostrils. In a good way.
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.